I have these signs here that was sent to me by the brand My Sign Center store to review. And look at these. These are just amazing, amazing, amazing. I love the color. I did request this gold color with black letters. My name, my wife's name, and then we did start, our own business. So I requested to put owner on there. But as you can see, I mean, the color is on point. The spelling is on point. The letters, owner is centered. Everything's right, correct. And let me just open this here. So this is what it comes with. It's wrapped in this plastic. And they do send some double-sided tape. If you want to tape it on door, wall, whatever it is that you want to do. Maybe, for your business or wherever you are, office, you can put it on the door. But yeah, this is the back here. And this is going to be a 2x8. And again, gold, black letters. My wife already had this like rose gold sign holder or nameplate holder. So once we received it, I mean, we put it in there and it fit perfect. Like, we couldn't have asked for anything else. This is perfect. Again, 2x8. And we're just excited to go ahead and put these up. And I mean, it's good quality. You're gonna put, wherever you put it, I mean, it's gonna last long, unless you're messing with it, or I don't know. I mean, I don't know what you could be doing to damage these, but as long as they're somewhere, where they're supposed to be, they should last pretty much forever.